Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you keep respawning in the middle of nowhere after you die, or your multiplayer server friends are spawning completely outside of your custom-built hub, your spawn coordinates are incorrectly configured. I will show you exactly how to fix your personal respawn location and reset the global world spawn right now. Let's get started. First, if you are playing standard survival mode and keep returning to the original world spawn when you die, your personal bed was likely destroyed, which deletes your saved location. To instantly fix your individual spawn point without placing a new bed, you can use the game's built-in console commands. Press the T key on your keyboard or the right D-pad on your controller to open the chat window, ensuring that cheats are enabled in your world settings. Type /spawnpoint and press enter to instantly lock your personal respawn location to the exact block you are currently standing on. Next, if you are running a multiplayer server or a custom map and want every new player to spawn inside a specific building, you must change the global default location. Stand exactly where you want new players to appear and face the specific direction you want them to look. Open your chat window, type the exact command /setworldspawn and press enter. This command permanently overrides the original map generation coordinates and forces the default world spawn to your exact current location. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.